How's it going, everybody? Matthew here, call sign Victor Alpha 1 Mike Romeo Tango. And it's been a little while since I did a video. Just been a pretty busy summer. So hopefully now that the fall is upon us, things might be quieting down. You know how it is. We wait all this time for summer, try to get everything done you can before the winter, and then before you know it, it's winter. So that's just the way it goes. But I thought I'd do another video because I had a question from a fellow in one of my videos named Brian, and he is referring to the video I did of programming the 300 with the SD card, and he noticed on there I had a lot of frequencies populated. So, according to this on the video, he noticed that I had a lot of frequencies in there. Is there a way to populate the ADMS software without having to do it one at a time? And there is. I know the FTM-300 software will allow you to export a CSV file. It's like a spreadsheet file, and you can update it that way. But for me, it didn't work. I think it might be because I'm using not Microsoft Office version to open up the CSV file. Maybe it is, maybe I'm just doing it wrong, but you can export this CSV file and you can update each spot. But unfortunately for me, it didn't work, this method. I had to do a roundabout method, and I'm gonna just go through it here. So this one here, it says you can put all your frequencies in, your names and tags and all that good stuff, and then import it back to the 300 software. But every time I tried it, I got an error. So that didn't work for me. But you can go and copy and paste every frequency receive. Like you can just do, like, let's say if you want to receive frequency, I'll just type it in 147.105, a local repeater, press enter, it will populate. The program knows that it's okay, there's a positive offset. You can change your digital, analog, automatic mode selection, tone mode, all that good stuff. But the way I did it way back when, before I had the 300, I had my first digital radio was the FT-3D, and Chirp is able to program the FT-3D, but it won't allow you to program the 300 yet. It doesn't have the capability yet. But the way I did it, I went to, let's say, repeater book. It does allow you to get all the information from the repeater book website. Let's go political query, Nova Scotia county all 2 meters, and it'll retrieve all the information for 2 meter repeaters across Nova Scotia. Here we are. This is the way I did it. Now, I know there were some of them on here that didn't work, but so what I did was I took all this information here and I had it programmed into my FT-3D. So when it came time to program my 300, it allows you to import the FT-3D format. So let's go over to my FT-3D software, communication, get data from FT-3D, and I have my FT-3D connected here already. So turn it on. oops, forgot to hold the display. Display, power on. Display clone. Now after we, okay, press send. And now it is retrieving the information from the FT-3D. It is kind of a roundabout way, the way I did it. I mean, maybe it'll work for other people, exporting from the CSV file over. Or let's say you know somebody that has an FTM-100 or 400 and they can send you that file. You can do it with that way, import it into the software, and then you could, let's say if you wanted to send it to the SD card, you could do it that way. But when I originally did it, this is the way I done it. And it's kind of a roundabout way, like I've mentioned, but it was still a lot easier than going one at a time for every single one. So okay, did a quick little pause because I was taking a little while. And we now receive the information. We close. And boom. There we go. And while I have this up, I'll probably do a bit of editing thereafter. There's some stuff here I want to get rid of. So now that I have the file in here, we'll go and we'll save as. Go to the desktop. And we'll just go FT-3D. Save. Pop over to our FTM-300 software. Go File. And import FTD3 format. That's right, it's looking for the CSV file. Okay. So we're gonna go to export FT3D. It's my mistake. File. Import FT3D format. And here we go. Open. Boom. There we go. That's it. That's how I did it. I know it's a bit of a roundabout way of doing it, but still, it saved me a lot of time. But by all means, let me know in the comments below if you were able to just export the file the CSV file, or the Excel spreadsheet file, and using it in Office 360 or whatever that Office version is. I can't quite remember. I haven't used it in a long time. And try and edit it that way and import it. But if you do know anybody that has a 100, 400, or let's same thing here, a 2D or a 3D, just the same way I did it, and they can just send you that over and you can import it, and then you have it all there, then you'd be one step ahead. But that's how I did it, and yeah, that worked for me. So yeah, I just went from Chirp, got all the information, programmed the FT-3D, and then went to the ADMS software for the FT-3D, read the information, export the file, and then from there went back to my 300, imported the FT-3D format, and I was off and running. I had all my memories then able to transfer over into my FTM-300. So, Brian, hope this helps a little bit. Maybe you know somebody that has a digital radio, they can send you a file, and then you'd be one step ahead of the game. But that's it. Um, Sorry, it seems like a bit of a roundabout way, but that's the way I did it, and it worked. And I've actually helped out local hams by doing it the same way. They the guys just sent them the file, and they were off and running. They didn't have to do it one at a time. So I did the hard work, and they got away a little easier. So hopefully this helps out, and definitely give me a like. Let me know what you think, and hopefully this helps out somebody. So 73 for now, and thanks for watching. This is Victor Alpha 1, Mike Romeo Tango. 73, everyone.